Hi guys, in another video by MTech Pro. Pretty much the entire iPhone 16 camera hardware got leaked over the past few days. And on paper everything looks pretty impressive. But how much will these specs actually matter to you as the user? Well, let's find out. And I'm going to start with the iPhone 16 camera changes first, as those are smaller, and then move on to the Pro models. Leaker, Majinboo recently shared the schematic of the standard iPhone 16 model. And the main takeaway here is the new vertical camera module on the back, which does look quite similar to the iPhone X camera design. But now, with the huge camera rings that we've gotten used to on the recent models. This leak follows on from that mid-December iPhone 16 Pro that Mac was posted, where we saw 3 different designs that Apple was considering for the iPhone 16. Back then, it was said that the third prototype, which was also the most recent, was the one that Apple was pursuing. But now it seems like Apple has made some tweaks, with the flash, albeit on the outside of the modules, and the glass island now being much smaller, and only surrounding the lenses. And to back this leak up, MacRumors has just released a report with some of their findings and renders, which do actually match up with Majinboo's schematic. These renders give us a pretty good look at what we can expect from the iPhone 16's camera design. Personally, I do quite like this design. I wasn't a big fan of the previous prototype leak, as it just looked like an iPhone 12, only with larger camera units. This one, however, is new, and really the first time the entire camera island got smaller, since the iPhone XS. And if you're like me and you weren't a fan of the table wobble, that won't be as severe now. It won't entirely be absent, like on the Pixel 8, although that module scratches so easily, so I guess you cannot truly have it all. But does this actually matter? Will this new camera layout help you take better photos? Probably not. Judging from the MacRumors renders that are based on their industry sources, it doesn't seem like the modules are getting any bigger. And since Apple did already give the standard iPhone 15's new 48-megapixel sensors in 2023, I doubt that we'll see any big camera hardware changes this year, at least on the standard models. The iPhone 16 camera improvements are looking quite significant on paper. But in reality we do need to tone down our expectations, as a lot of the improvements that we've seen in the past have not been because of the specs, but rather because of the software improvements or because of other unexpected changes, and those are usually what really matter. So let me know, what do you think of these improvements, and where do you think the camera industry for smartphones is heading towards? Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.